Hi, I'm Patrice Gordon-Poyser, a member of JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home. This morning, we're in Times Square, New York City. Times Square, New York City, waiting to be featured on a billboard to showcase some of the excellent work that JAHJAH has been doing for Jamaicans in Jamaica through the health fairs that are held every January in Mission for Change, where health fairs are done across the island to ensure that Jamaicans in Jamaica receive medical care, dental care, they learn CPR to help save lives. This is very exciting for JAHJAH to be featured on a billboard in Times Square, New York City. JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad Helping Jamaicans at Home. Blaze
it, blaze it. Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing? Yard man thing, can this a yard man thing?